Welcome to my Rumba DVD, the ultimate guide to the Rumba. My name is Izabela Rai and I'm professional ballroom and Latin American dancer, teacher and choreographer. We are here at the Mandarin Oriental Hotel in London, England, where Her Majesty Queen of England learned how to dance. In this program, you will find 3 levels of intensity. Level 1, where you will find all the basic figures in Rumba, perfect for those of you who have never danced before or just started. Level 2, packed with all the intermediate figures in Rumba. And level 3, for those of you who can dance already and want to learn more advanced steps in Rumba. So, let's get started! Rumba is a Latin American dance originally from Cuba. Time signature is 4/4 with slight accent on the second beat and prominent on the 4th. The dance should be started by taking a steps on the 4th beat of the bar of music. Basic rhythm is 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Tempo is usually 27 bars per minute, although nowadays they play much slower rumbas, 24 bars per minute. Rumba hold. In Rumba, we are using close hold. Let me explain that hold to you. I want you to stand with feet apart, facing your partner about 6 inches apart, with body naturally upright and the shoulders down. The man's right hand is placed on the lady's shoulder blade. The right arm is held in a soft curve with the elbow at chest level. The lady's left arm is on top of the man's right arm, and her left hand rests lightly on top of the man's right shoulder. The man's left hand is raised in a gentle curve to the level of the eyes. The lady's right hand is placed in the man's left hand with her fingers between his thumb and first finger. The hands are lightly clasped. In the Latin dances, we have 2 types of lead, physical lead and shaping lead. Physical lead has 2 vital ingredients, the start and the finish. The man creates the speed of the lady's body, and the man stops the lady's body in perfect balance so that the lady can collect and settle her weight without difficulty. Shaping lead is used by the man to indicate different shapes, movements or directions to the lady with a minimum or no input. Essential to Rumba is distinctive hip movement called Cuban motion, achieved through knee straightening action, figure of 8, hip rolls and swiveling action of the feet. Strong and direct walks, led by the ball of the foot, are also characteristic of the Rumba.